What's going on, guys? Back to the video. Today we're here at Pandan Reservoir legal ground. I'm not sure if it's the first one or the second one, but it is like the bigger one, and we're gonna be using the Everest quick catch to hopefully get some catches. So I heard that this jetty has been pretty good like the past day or so. So today we're here with the Everest quick catch. All the new colors, we're gonna try them out and see if there's any peacock bass action here at Pandan Reservoir. So we're gonna get fishing and tight lines. Sean. Yes. Alright, fish on. Okay, this is a peacock bass. This is like a speckled bass or something. Let me go and land it. One sec. Alright, first fish on the Everest quick catch. Here, nice peacock bass. Okay, it's just barely hooked right there. We take off this color. Actually no, I want to take a picture with this. This is a smallie, probably about like 500 grams. What's a nice first fish? Nice first peacock bass caught on the new gold and black color of the Everest quick catch. We're gonna release this guy in a sec. So it's like a 500 gram PB, our first catch here at Pandan Reservoir. Okay, let's take a look at it. Alright, nice. Alright, nice first fish. We got the skunk out of the boat. Let's do a second cast here. Oh, free lure. Guys, look what I found. I found this lure. Looks pretty decent. Like what is this brand? It looks pretty new. Looks like perfect lure for this kind of spot, like a small crankbait. WXM lure. Bruh, it's a decathlon lure, crap. Yeah, this is like the decathlon crankbait. Lewis just caught a peacock bass similar size to mine on the atomic blue color, so it's 1-1 golden atomic blue. Fish on. Fish on. This one. Fish on. This one's a really feisty one. Oh man. Oh, the lizard.
The lizard will come.
Okay, wait, don't bring me under the dock. Alright, let me go around to land it. Bro. Okay, right now. Nice. Alright, let's take a picture. Alright. Alright, so we come to the end of the video. We caught 3 peacock bass today, all on the Everest quick catch. I used the golden color and I got 2, and Lewis used the atomic blue and he got 1. So I'm starting to think that the new colors are pretty good. This Everest quick catch, all of these colors are actually really good. I just released a video on these Everest quick catches, and you can click around the description or something to check it out. So until next time, tight line.